Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish batter. Let's start with the foundational ingredients for a crispy coating. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The secret to a light batter is using a cold liquid, so grab 1 cup of beer or sparkling water. This combination creates a perfect base for your fried fish. Achieving the right consistency is crucial for a great fish batter. First, whisk your dry ingredients together in a large bowl until they are well combined. Then, slowly pour in your chosen cold liquid, mixing gently. It's important not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten in the flour, leading to a tough batter. You're looking for a smooth, thick consistency, similar to pancake batter, that will cling nicely to your fish. To elevate your fish batter, consider adding some extra flavor. A tablespoon of paprika or garlic powder can introduce a wonderful savory note. If you enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper will provide a subtle kick without overpowering the fish. After mixing, let your batter rest for about 15 minutes. This allows the flour to fully hydrate and the flavors to meld, resulting in an even crispier coating. When it's time to fry, heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for the best results. Carefully dip each fish fillet into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated, then let any excess drip off before gently placing it into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown and cooked through, usually about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on thickness. And for easy meal prep, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.